This tutorial will explain the process of generating a PR using the PunchOut Web Shopping dashboard. To begin the process, log into Business Plus, locate the Bookkeeper Secretaries tab. Once on the Bookkeeper Secretaries tab, locate the POUPP PunchOut Web Shopping mask under the purchasing options and select that option. This will open the PunchOut Web Shopping dashboard. Once the dashboard opens, begin with the finance defaults by entering your account information for your site or your department. Next, enter the ship to ID. If you press tab, the ship to address field will populate with PR. If PR is not displayed in that field, simply click the drop-down arrow next to the field and select PR to enter that information in the ship to address. You must have a PR entered in the ship to address field. Then you will enter your security code. After you have completed entering all of the required information in the finance defaults, you are able to select the vendor that you would like to create a PR or begin the shopping process with from the PunchOut vendors area. To select the vendor, click on the arrow located in front of the vendor ID. This will transfer you to the vendor's website. Once you enter the vendor's website, there are multiple ways to begin the shopping process. You can shop by products. You can shop by learning model. You can shop by searching in the search bar. The method of shopping is determined by the vendor's website setup. So once you enter the website, you can decide how you would like to navigate to enter items in your cart. We will begin by entering a few items in a cart to show you how this process works. You can enter a quantity to make sure that you are purchasing the number of items that you would like to. We will continue our shopping until we have added all of the items that we would like to purchase in our cart. Add the items to the cart. We will continue shopping. It may take you a few moments to build your cart. Once you've added all of the items that you would like to add to your cart, to view your cart, you can simply go to the top right and select the cart icon, or if the option is displayed on your screen that gives you the option of go to cart, you can select it at that moment. If you have completed entering all of the items in your cart that you would like to purchase. So we're going to go to our cart now. When we enter our cart, the cart number is displayed for you should you need that information in the future. The pricing program associated with our district contract is also displayed, which is Equalis. So all of our discount pricing is already configured on the website. It shows you the number of items that you have in your cart, along with the description of those items, the delivery type. Some items ship free, others may not, but it will show you that information under the delivery section. The quantity section shows you the number of items that you've purchased per item. If you need to change that information, simply go over and select the number that you have there and enter a new number, and it should automatically update that information for you. If you scroll to the bottom, you see your subtotal information as well as the savings information. Next, after you verify that everything is correct, as you can see, we have an item that is temporarily out of stock or on back order. We do not order back order items, so we would need to remove that particular item from our cart before proceeding. And you see that item has been removed and your totals updated. After we have reviewed all this information and verified that everything is correct, we will simply hit the transfer button and it will transfer us back into Business Plus on the pooper screen. When you're transferred back into Business Plus, the pooper screen automatically opens with all of the defaulted information that you previously entered on the web shopping dashboard, as well as your cart information. You will need to open up this PR. Your PR number is defaulted for you, and verify that your vendor ID is correct. This is the vendor that you are creating the PR for. Your remit to information is listed. You will scroll down, double check your ship to ID information. Make sure that the bill to address code has a PR in that field. If a PR is not displayed in that field, simply click the drop down arrow and select that option. You must have a PR displayed in the bill to address code. Next, we will review the items that we have added to our cart to make sure that that information is accurate. As you can see, we're in grid mode and it displays the quantity, the unit price is each. The description of the item is already automatically populated and already there for you on the screen. You should not change this information because it is pulled directly from the vendor's website. The unit price is reflected as well as extended price along with the account GL. If you needed to make adjustments to your account, you can simply open up that particular line by clicking on the pencil and locating the account information to make any adjustments that you might need to make there. If you needed to split some purchases, you could do that at this point. If you needed to change the account code altogether, you could do that at this point. If you needed to adjust the quantity of the order, you could do that also. But again, I do not recommend adjusting the item description information or the pricing information, because all of that information is taken directly from the vendor's website. After you have verified that your item information is correct and your account information is correct, our next and final thing that we need to make sure that we enter is our buyer's information. So we will make sure that we enter that information. You can type it in if you know it. You can, if it populates, you can click on it. After that information is entered, click anywhere on the screen and hit the enter button to get the record accepted message. After receiving the record accepted message, this PR is ready to be approved and submitted into the workflow. Click on the workflow icon, select approve. You can enter comments if you need to. If not, just simply hit submit. And this PR has now been entered into the workflow to route through the normal approval process. After the PR has been approved at all levels, a PO will be generated and electronically submitted to the vendor. At that point, the requester will receive an email notifying them that the PO has been approved and submitted to the vendor. This is the process of creating a PR using the PunchOut Web Shopping dashboard. anytime we have a vendor that is set up under the purchasing web shopping dashboard, you will always begin the process of creating the PR from the PunchOut Web Shopping dashboard and not the pooper screen. If you have any questions or need any assistance with this process, please feel free to contact the purchasing department and a staff member will be more than happy to assist you. We hope that this process will be more efficient for you and that you will find it very helpful in performing the job responsibilities that you have within the district. If you have any questions again, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.